Hello kids! Today we will learn A to Z animal names. A for alligator. B for bear. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fox. G for giraffe. H for horse. I for iguana.
Oh no!
J for jaguar. K for koala. L for lion. M for monkey. N for newt. O for ostrich. P for penguin. Q for quack. R for rabbit. S for snake. T for tiger. U for umbrella bird. V for vulture. W for whale. X for xerus.
Oh no!
Y for yak. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching guys. Subscribe for new videos.